Do you ever get to 5 p.m. and feel like your brain is just done? You can't even decide what to make for dinner. You just stare at the fridge. A friend asks, "What do you want to watch?" And your mind goes completely blank. It's not that you're lazy. And it's not that you're incapable. It's because you've spent the entire day making 1,000 tiny choices you didn't even notice. Your outfit. Your route to work. Should I reply to this email now or later? What's the exact right thing to say in this text? Should I click on this link? For most people, this is just a bit tiring. But for a brain like yours, a brain that processes everything deeply, it's not just tiring. It's debilitating. It's called decision fatigue. And by the end of the day, you've used up all your mental fuel. You have no good decisions left in the tank. But here's the truth, you aren't bad at making decisions. You are too good at them. Every small choice feels high stakes because you see all the possible outcomes, all the nuances. You're trying to pick the perfect cereal, not just a cereal. So today, we're not going to try to make you better at decisions. We're going to build you a system so you have to make far fewer of them. We're going to build what I call a choice-free zone. Think of your willpower like a stack of coins. Every choice you make, big or small, spends 1 coin. By noon, most people have spent half their stack. But you? You spend 3 coins on every single choice because you analyze it from every angle. By lunch, your stack is empty. You're bankrupt. And that's when you snap at a coworker, order junk food, or just shut down. The solution isn't coffee or willpower. The solution is choice culling. It means you deliberately remove choices from whole areas of your life, so you save your precious mental coins for the stuff that truly matters. We're going to do this in 3 layers: the trivial, the daily, and the emotional. Layer 1. The trivial. The just pick one rule. These are the choices that have 0 real impact on your life but steal your brainpower. The cereal, the pen, the brand of socks. Your mission here is to become a pickpocket for your own brain. Steal these choices away from future you. Here's your action. This weekend, I want you to do one thing. Create defaults. Pick 1 breakfast for the week. Every day. Done. Pick 1 outfit formula. Black shirt, jeans. Or a uniform. 5 of the same shirt? Perfect. Pick 1 brand of your groceries and stick to it. You don't need to review every new yogurt. You're not committing for life. You're just declaring. For the next week, this decision does not exist. You free up the mental space and you realize nothing bad happens. The world keeps turning. Layer 2, the daily. The when-then machine. This is for the recurring daily decisions that cause friction. When should I work out? When will I do my deep work? What do I do when I feel scattered? You don't decide in the moment. You program your brain like a simple machine. Here's your action. Grab your phone. I want you to write 3. When the rules. When my workday starts at 9 a.m., then I will block the first hour for my most important task. No email. When I feel overwhelmed at 3 p.m., then I will get up and walk for 10 minutes. When it's 7 p.m., then dinner is whatever is in the meal prep container. See? No decision. It's just the rule. It's the program running. Your sensitive, tired brain doesn't have to figure it out. It just follows the instruction. This is how you build guardrails on a foggy road. Layer 3, the emotional. The choice budget. This is the big one. This is for the decisions that feel huge because they involve people, feelings, and your values. Helping a friend. Taking on a new project. Saying yes or no. You can't automate these, but you can budget for them. Imagine you walk into a mental store every morning with 10 decision coins. A trivial choice, like what to wear, should cost 1 coin. Helping a friend in crisis might cost 5. The problem is, you've been spending 5 coins on the trivial stuff and then have nothing left when the big, important, life-giving choices show up. Here's your action. The pause and price tag method. When any request comes in, a favor, an invitation, a new task, you pause. You don't say yes with your tired, people-pleasing brain. You ask your inner accountant, What is the true price of this? If I say yes to this extra work, what am I saying no to? My sleep? My quiet night? That's a 6-coin decision. If I drive across town to help my friend move, what energy will I not have for my own family tonight? That's an 8-coin decision. And if your coins are already spent, you have permission to say, I don't have the capacity for that right now. That's not being mean. That's being the CEO of your own energy. This might feel rigid at first. It might feel like you're limiting your freedom. But you have to understand, for a mind like yours, structure isn't a cage. It's the greenhouse. A plant without a trellis just collapses into a heap on the ground. The trellis, the rules, the defaults, the when-then machines, that's what allows it to grow upward, toward the sun. It's what gives it the support to actually flourish. By culling the meaningless choices, you're not becoming a robot. You are doing the opposite. You are saving your rich, deep, beautiful ability to think and feel for the things that actually deserve it. For the creative project. For the deep conversation. For the moment of quiet awe at a sunset. Start small. This week, just create one default. Where the same thing eat the same lunch. Feel the relief when that one tiny part of your day is suddenly quiet. That's your choice-free zone. That's your brain getting a glass of cold water. Build that zone brick by brick. And watch what starts to grow inside it.